My name's Jackie Kuehnle. I'm a certified surgical tech that loves to work with Dr. Locker and his team in the OR, and on my days off, I get to ride my awesome horse with my girlfriends. And I love that horse. One day I slipped and fell on the kitchen floor coming in too fast because I walked too fast and I couldn't get up. So when I couldn't get up, I knew it was really serious. So I knew that I broke my hip and knew I was going to have Dr. Locker fix it.
So broken hips can be devastating. And so we try to aggressively treat them and really get their surgery done within 24 hours. I probably do about 400 to 450 these a year. So it's a pretty common thing. When I saw Jackie's films, I saw that directly she had a femoral neck fracture that was displaced. So it was something where we weren't going to fix it. We were just going to go in there, remove the broken head, and do a hip replacement. So we called the operating room. They have anesthesia availability, the staff there, and we were able to get it done expeditiously.
Jackie's worked here 14 years, 7 years specifically with Dr. Locker, who performed her surgery. So she knew exactly what was going to happen on the day of surgery and knew with full confidence he'd provide the best care that any surgeon probably could. HCA Florida West Marion Hospital is the #1 hospital in Florida for orthopedics according to Healthgrades.
Now I'm back to doing what I love and no pain, no problems.
It never crossed my mind that I wouldn't be able to ride my horse again, that I wouldn't be able to do the things that I always can do. I knew he'd fix it and it'd be perfect and I'd be back to work in 2 months. I'm living the dream. The awesome team that showed up for me at the hospital, Dr. Locker in charge, put me back together and I'm good to go.